Oh, this is a brand new ABI Beverley holiday home. It's for sale at Pearl Lake Country Holiday Park. It looks great. We've got a proper storm going on at the moment. It's very windy, so there'll be some background noise. But this feels like that sort of, is it hygge? That Danish word, somewhere where you can just snuggle down and just let the world go by outside. It's on a sales pitch, so that won't be your view of the world. So don't worry about that. Look at those blue skies over the park. Got it! So as you can see, open plan living area, a 2-seater sofa and a 3-seater sofa, stylish radiators. It's a really nice open plan area. They've got this balance. Sometimes, introducing darker colours into an environment doesn't necessarily work, but this is great. Built-in microwave in the kitchen. As we go through, there's a hallway. Let's just show you that. There's a hallway for the rear of the holiday home, an entrance hallway that you come into. There's a twin bedroom for guests that has, further down the hallway, if you'd like it to, exclusive use of the main shower room. And it can be exclusive use because your main bedroom has its own, as you can see in the corner there, its own bathroom. So great for having family, guests coming to stay with you. Some privacy in here, as well as a dressing table and wardrobe space in the corner. Great holiday home, great feel, really lovely models. The ABI Beverley. Come and have a look. Come and have a look at the park. You might get it on a blue sky day like today. If you like the park, have a look at some stock. Have a look at the ABI Beverley. It could be a winner. We'd love to see you soon. Thanks. Bye.